The cool part about the Ultimate Manicure and Pedicure set is that we've actually included the perfect on-the-go essentials. So how we maintain our nails when we're on the go is to start with the dual-sided pushy, and we're gonna start with the spoon side, the large scoop side. You can see that it's ultra thin for pushing back the cuticle. We're gonna push back the cuticle to even up the shape and help remove any cuticle off of the surface of the nail plate. Now, as a safety feature, this ultra thin edge has been buffed smooth so that it doesn't scratch the surface of the nail. So you do not damage and you do not scratch the surface of the nail when you're using this. Now, we're gonna use the hooked in to make sure that we clean out underneath our nails, to make sure that we get rid of all of that debris that can collect under there as we're traveling. We wanna make sure that our nails stay as clean as possible. Next in the on-the-go essentials is going to be your mini cuticle nipper. This is perfect size for taking with you anytime you're on the go. The thing that I love about it is when I'm traveling, a lot of times my cuticles will dry out, I'll get hangnails, and this is perfect for that day-to-day maintenance. Remember though, even though it has this super sharp tip designed so that you don't get snags or tears in the cuticle when you're cutting, I only use the tip if I'm going down into the sides of the nail. If I'm removing excess cuticle or hangnails on the surface of the nail, I'm actually gonna just lay the blade flat along the area I need to cut and use the center of the blade because the nail's rounded. So the center of the blade is gonna fit right where I need to cut, and then just simply nip those extra pieces of skin. So like here on the side where this is sticking up, I would use the tip. Once you've trimmed the cuticle, now we're gonna create our nail shape. We're gonna use our file, which is dual-sided, 180 grit on one side, 240 grit on the other side. Because our shape is pretty much there, all we're gonna do is refine the shape. I'm gonna use the smoother 240 side, and I'm gonna file from the corner to the center, just to perfect my shape. We're not redoing everything, we're just maintaining our look while we're on the go. Then we're gonna finish the look using our shiner buffer, starting with the 400 side to smooth and tighten the cuticles. Notice that when I'm buffing the nail, I'm following the surface of the nail. We don't wanna create any flat spots in the nail, so we wanna file rounded. So if you're doing your own nails, you're gonna wanna file in a rounded motion to follow the shape of the nail. And then we finish using the 4000 grit side of the shiner. So you'll notice that this will feel super smooth, almost like a latex. And this is a perfect alternative to wearing nail polish, especially when you're traveling and you have to worry about the upkeep of chipping and cracking and scratching of the nail polish. This, you can create that high gloss shine on your natural nails, which is perfect for every occasion. So you wanna always finish off your look by applying a great cuticle oil or moisturizing cream or lotion once you finished your maintenance. Another great option is if you're using facial oils in your nightly skincare routine, when you're done putting it on, simply apply a little bit to your nails when you're finished and you're good to go for the night. And that's where you're gonna see the best results, when the oils can moisturize and hydrate all night long.